Hello students, today we are going to learn simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So, let's get started and look at the difference between each one of them. Let's begin with the formulation. How we formulate each one of these tenses. Simple present. I do. Present continuous. I'm doing. Present perfect. I have done. Present perfect continuous. I have been doing. We use the simple present to indicate facts and habits. And the formulation of simple present is I play, he plays, she plays. Remember, you have to add s to the verb with he, she, it. You play, we play, they play. For example, I play football, he plays football, she plays football. You play football, we play football, they play football. Let's move on to the present continuous. We use the present continuous to talk about activities at the moment of speaking, and the formulation of present continuous: subject plus verb to be, am is are, plus being plus verb plus ing. I'm doing, he, she is doing, you, we, they are doing. For example, I'm playing football, he is playing football, she is playing football, we are playing football, you are playing football, they are playing football. More examples. In these examples, you will be able to know some expressions used in present continuous, which are colored by green in the examples below. We are learning English now. We are watching TV right now. At present, my father is working abroad. He is presently studying in Istanbul. We are using my old computer for the time being. She is not waiting here at the moment. He is taking 3 courses this year or this term. Present perfect. We use the present perfect for something that started in the past and continues in the present. And the formulation of present perfect is subject plus have or has plus ppv. That's mean the past participle of the verb. I have done, you have done, he has done, she has done, we have done, you have done, they have done. So let's see an example. I have played football. He has played football. She has played football. You have played football. We have played football. They have played football. More examples. The expressions used in present perfect are colored by green in the examples below. They have been married for nearly 50 years. She has lived in Liverpool all her life. I have seen that film before. I have played the guitar ever since I was a teenager. Let's move on to the present perfect continuous. We use the present perfect continuous to show that something started in the past and has continued up until now. For 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, and since Tuesday are all duration which can be used with the present perfect continuous. And the formulation of present perfect continuous is subject plus have or has plus been plus verb plus ing. I have been doing. Let's see some examples. As always, the expressions which indicate the present perfect continuous are colored by green. They have been talking for the last hour. She has been working at that company for 3 years. What have you been doing for the last 30 minutes? We have been waiting here for over 2 hours. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and bye for now.